Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Oppo Find X3 Neo. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I always start in the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds. Then swipe to restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone, go to the settings, swipe down to the additional settings, swipe down again and choose the last option. Then tap on the rest of the phone and network settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here. Tap on the reset button and look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update the system, so go to the About device and tap on the Color OS. If you have an update, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.